Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the chart of Euro dollar in front of us, and we can see that still there is not much volatility in the market. More or less, the structure of the market is still the same. Number of trading opportunities are very limited. If you watched my yesterday's video, then okay, you can just stop watching because the the things on Euro USD and GBP USD are still the same. Okay, things have not changed yet. The reliable trading opportunities that we discussed yesterday are still the same. And this is the chart of DXY or US dollar index in front of us, and we can see that okay, after the consolidation here, dollar index is trying to move up. Okay, dollar index after showing price rejection trying to go up, but the problem is that the volume is missing in the market. And as we all know, volume is very important for any market of the world. But overall, the structure of the market is still the same. And we have earlier discussed about the trend reversal signs of Euro USD and gold. Okay, and as we all know, for any trend reversal or direction, the fundamental factors are very important. Without fundamentals, okay, there cannot be a trend reversal, there cannot be a direction in the market. Technicals are yes useful for entry and exit purpose, but for a trend or direction, fundamentals are the most important. And today we don't have any news, and tomorrow we have FOMC at night. So tomorrow maybe market will show some crazy moves, or finally market will show the trend reversal we have been waiting for. So today you can expect that more or less the technicals will be dominating the market. Okay, so the dollar index may remain the same. If market shows some sort of correction, we can expect dollar index to take support around 104 to 103.70 for the day. And if it goes up, okay, this level should not be working as resistance, because in uptrend market the previous high are not very strong. Okay, so now let's wait and watch. Now Euro USD. So after this downturn, Euro USD is waiting for some sort of relief, and without any fundamental factor, the relief may not come. After FOMC, okay, if Euro USD breaks 1.0800, we can say that finally the market has got the move it has been waiting for, and yes, we may get to see a trend reversal. But if dollar index gains momentum and we see drop on Euro USD, then the same trend of the market will continue. So in absence of volume and volatility in the market during the day, okay, observe the market around this particular portion of the portion 1.0800, 1.0800. Okay, not exact, it can be 1.0790 also, it can be 1.0805 as well. So observe the market around this area. If market reverses, we can look for a sell, and in absence of volume, the chances of a breakout are very less. And if market drops, Euro USD drops, the buying opportunity will be around 1.0740 to 1.0730. This is the level where we can look for a buy on Euro USD. Why we are looking for a buy? Because we have FEB 50% retracement level, and you can see that previously the market has shown considerable price rejection around this area. So as a day trader, okay, we can look for some sort of buying around this area. And if you're not madly in love with euro dollar, then obviously you should be looking for trading opportunities on other pairs, because Euro USD is not in ideal position to place any trades. Whether you are a swing trader or positional trader or a day trader, doesn't matter. And this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US dollar in front of us. More pathetic chart. Okay, GBP USD. Okay, if you're a lover of GBP USD, you must be knowing that the pair was sideways, then it broke the support, but again it is showing sideways nature. In sideways market or in choppy kind of market, buy at support, sell at resistance is the only trading strategy you should be relying upon. Most of the time people lose money in sideways market because we lose patience. We enter on the middle of the chart and we get trapped. To avoid the traps, okay, you need to wait. Patience is the only thing, okay, that will help you in sideways market. And GBP USD is stuck on the middle of the chart, and right now, okay, chances of market coming down to a level are also very less. till then, try to have patience and wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market. Do not chase the market. Okay, let the price come to you. So the levels on GBPUSD are also still the same. 1.2665 to 1.2685 is the level where we can look for a sell because of strong price rejection around this area. Along with that, we have 200 moving average, which is the dynamic resistance, and the support is around 1.2500. So if market bounces from here, we can look for a buy. But as long as market is trading in on the middle of the chart, try to avoid, because there is a high chance that you will be trapped. As of now, there is not much volume in the market, so till then be careful. And as I always say, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As you guys already know, that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. You will find all the details on the website. It's a 3 days workshop, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during the 3 days. Keep in mind, this workshop is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. There is a questionnaire at the first so that you can understand whether the workshop will be beneficial or useful for you or not. So you must be wondering what will happen in support. So in support, okay, there will be weekly lessons, and these are the topics that we will be discussing in our weekly lessons or weekly classes. And you will be receiving regular market updates like this. You can see here, this is a March workshop, and these are the regular market updates, analysis, everything about the market, so that you stay in touch with the market, you stay ahead of the market. And we also have a Telegram community so that you can talk with other or interact with other traders. It's a colorful community. You will find traders from all around the world. You can ask questions, you can share your ideas. It's a lovely community. You can see the next workshop dates are for English classes 1, 2, and 3, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of March, and Hindi classes 9, 10, and 11th of March. And if you're unable to manage time, you don't need to worry. I record everything because people from all around the world participate, but because of time difference, sometimes they cannot attend. So I record each and every session. The classes will be conducted over Google Meet. And once you are done with the payment, okay, you need to share a screenshot to this number. Yeah, the best part is the payment. You can see here, 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15 or rupees 1000, and these are the benefits you will be receiving. And yeah, trading takes time. Trading is a journey. So if you're looking for longer support and personal sessions, you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support. These are also very affordable. So in semi-annual, okay, apart from the Telegram community access and the WhatsApp updates analysis, you will also be having personal one-on-one sessions with me. You can see here, for semi-annual, it's only $65 or rupees 4000 for Indians. And if you love me, if you like my work, then yeah, you can also sign up for the lifetime support. It's only rupees 8000 or only $125. Okay, hopefully, okay, it will be beneficial and useful for you. These are the payment options. So once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number or email here with your WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the groups immediately. Thank you so much.